Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll be learning how to take a screenshot. And taking a screenshot will be useful for two reasons. Let's say you have a failure and you want to take a screenshot when something fails, so you have it for record to know what actually went wrong. Or if you want to do visual testing, which will have totally different series because it gets really complicated when we do visual testing. So I'll probably cover that in a different series. And those are the two test cases that you will really need to do visual interactions. So let's actually learn how to do a screenshot. And I'm actually not gonna do it when it fails. I'm just gonna do it when it passes, so you guys will see. But feel free to actually experiment it with a try and catch. And when it fails, you can catch it and then take a screenshot, which is a lot of people use it that way. But let's clean up our code from last time. And let's do a function, and let's actually put the bracket that I messed up. And let's actually put the function that takes a screenshot. So write file, and then call this file screenshot equal to, right, two parentheses, and write take screenshot. And make sure to actually have the letters the same way I have. Like if it's capital, make sure that it's capital because it will make a difference. Because if when we try to import it, see it says I messed up. I did forget an S, and that's why it told me to change it. So it's really sensitive to everything you actually do. So I just imported those two libraries. So after I wrote take screenshot, after that first parentheses, I put driver because I want to take a screenshot of that driver or whatever browser I have, and then do get screenshot as, and then I want an output type as a file, or do that like this. Oops. All right, and then put a semicolon, and now all the colors will disappear. The annoying colors and the nice colors will actually appear. That means you're doing something right, which is good. So I'm doing something right. I'm glad I'm actually doing so. And let's actually get rid of all this imports. I actually hate all these imports, having them. Makes me feel that I have something wrong, but I actually don't. I just not using them. All right, so let's get back to this. So I created a file, and that file actually takes the screenshot. So we actually need to save it somewhere. So to save it, all you have to do is write file, utility, .copy, file, and then you write what's the name of that file and the destination. So the name of the file is screenshot, and or actually not the name, I would say the value of it. I gave it a value of screenshot, and then I'll write new file, and then I'm going to give it the name that I actually want. So I'm going to give it the name of screen.png because I want it to be a PNG file, and I think that should be it. Let's see what's the error. There's no error. It actually just says that's the exception. So I'm gonna add this to a declaration. So what this will actually do, it will print it in my directory, and the directory will be my workspace. So if I go to my workspace, go to automation, it's gonna go somewhere in here. So if I save and run, this is going to take a screenshot of this. So let's actually go back to our directory and see if that file got made. Here you go. It actually did. It took a screenshot of the page as it is. And it didn't actually include anything from outside of the browser. It just took a picture of just the browser. It didn't take a computer screenshot. It took a browser screenshot. And that's the difference between this functions and other functions. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.